Hey, what's up guys and welcome back to askNK. Here's a quick update from the folks at Wonder Dynamics, now called Wonder Dynamics by Autodesk. And this has to do with a brand new technology they've unveiled called motion prediction. Now we already know that in most cases, when you use a tool that interprets motion, when the actor moves across or even behind an object, the motion gets broken. And this has also been the same issue with Wonder Dynamics. I mean, even when we talked about how you can work with this tool where you can get a footage and interpret that footage, one thing which we also mentioned is the camera only captures what the native camera sees. So the whole motion that it interprets is only the motion the camera sees, and it doesn't augment for the ones that are not visible to the camera, which by default is okay. But in most cases, if you try to move the main camera backward to get more for the shot which you're trying to work with, this becomes a problem because the rest of the body parts are not being captured or interpreted. And this is where motion prediction comes in super handy, as this technology accurately interprets, or should I say forecast, an actor's movement even when they are partially or entirely obscured from the camera's view. And how this works is it simply leverages on AI to interpret this movement based on the previous movement that it has captured, and motion prediction simply fills in the gap which is caused by the occlusion itself. And this ensures a much more seamless integration when working with CGI characters, especially with live action footages. Wonder Dynamics set of tool has been used in previous production before, and knowing that this is now available for the public use now makes a lot of sense, as this development by default is going to significantly address certain challenges during film production and mixing CGI characters with live action plates, because at this point it doesn't matter if a character moves behind or in front of an object or another performer, this is going to calculate the motion and predict it properly. And from the examples that they've shown, this simply maintains continuity and realism of the CGI character even during complex scenes with limited visibility. And this is something that is truly amazing. So for those who like to see this, possibly you like to try it out, then you can simply go over to the folks at Wonder Dynamics and check out some of the cool things that they have. Now, I've already talked about Wonder Dynamics on the channel before, and for those who have no idea, this is a pretty cool tool that you can use to do body motion capture, lighting and compositing, the hand capture, and also some advanced form of retargeting to characters. And this is fully adaptive to various pipelines, which includes that of Maya, Unreal Engine, and also Blender. So for those who are thinking about checking this out, possibly you'd like to see more stuff, then you can simply go over to the link in the description and check it out. Tell me what you guys think about this one in the comment section. And of course, if you like this video or you learned something from this, you can go ahead and give a like, and don't forget to share with a friend. And if you're new here, it's going to be amazing for you to hit the subscribe button and also turn on notifications so that you don't miss the next video or the next update. And until I see you guys in the next one, peace.